Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So, as you can see right here, we have R2-D2, and as I've been stating in my previous videos, he's still not working properly. Oh no. And I've emailed De Agostini multiple times now, I think 4 times, and I only got one response, and it was a very generic response. And I don't know why. I don't know if it was because my Japanese was not good or what. I don't know. But they only gave me a generic response of just check the cables, which I was not too happy about because the problems that I'm having are known issues. And they even say it on their, frequently asked questions page. But whatever. So if you're watching De Agostini, you need to work on your customer support, in Japan at least. But so anyways, I got tired of emailing them, trying to get some replacement parts, and I decided to just go ahead and order it from De Agostini. So yeah, I had to pay more money to get what I need, but that's okay. Hopefully this will get him working properly now. So let's go ahead and open this up. Sorry, I don't have a lot of space, so I'm opening it off camera. So, let's see here. Maybe I can, can't really get it in camera. I can try. So this isn't really an unboxing video. It's not the purpose of it. Okay. Come on, open. There we go. Oh, it's stuck. There we go, finally. All right, here we go. So I had to order number 96 again. And 96 doesn't, well, it's written here in Japanese. Or no, it's talking about what's next. It doesn't say it so much, but it contains the motor. Yeah. What does that say? Drive motor. Oh, right. So, contains a drive motor. So, I figured that's what I needed to get R2 working again. Yeah. Yep. There it is. The motor, the end cap, and the cable. Now, the cable might just be bad, or the motor's bad. I don't know. They aren't very clear on their website of what the actual problem might be. So I had to spend about 2,000 yen, or that's like what, $20 or whatever, to order just this motor again, which they probably should have replaced for free because it arrived defective. But whatever, that's okay. So let's see, yep. There it is. This little motor is causing all the problems. So let me go ahead and pause the video and I will get this set up and installed. And then we'll see if he's working or not properly. So hang on tight. Okay, we're back. So that was only like a split second for you, but it was actually, I don't know, maybe 10-15 minutes for me. But I went ahead and uninstalled the old motor, which is here, put in the new motor, new cable, everything, reconnected everything, and I haven't turned it on yet, so this is our moment of truth, if it'll work. Okay, so we have the main power. I think it turned on. I hope so. And then if I press this button here, he should turn on. So he should move forward for a split second, and then the head should rotate left to then to right, or right to left, I don't know which way, and it should go slowly. Okay, so let's see what happens. Like that. The head got stuck. Why did the head get stuck? but that's better than nothing. Just moving slowly is... Alright. The head's trying to move. What's it doing? I don't know what it's doing. Let me go ahead and connect via my iPad. Okay, that's a little loud. Why is it so loud? Connect. What's he doing? Okay, I don't know what's going on. Something's happening. Failed to connect. Oh, what's going on with it now? I don't know. Okay. Let's see, maybe it's just, it needs moved first. Okay, wait. Okay, trying to connect. Alright, we're connected. Alright, manual control. Oh, okay. Oh, that's much better. That's much smoother. Oh, why are the arms still opening though? That, I don't know. Is that just a personality thing? I don't know. Where is... The app isn't showing me... video control? Okay. Arms. Okay. It seems to be working. So... You can see me through his head. Alright, I think he's working. Let's try... I think we can move for 1 second. My table's really small. Okay, let's go ahead and turn him off again. Okay, let's rotate the head. Let's move him back. Center position, make sure everything's on good. Try it again. Should go right. It's getting stuck. It shouldn't be getting stuck like that, but... So something else is still happening, I don't know. But it's much better than before. Much better. So that's good. Let's try connecting again. Oh! Hey R2, what are you doing? I still don't understand him completely. Oh, iPad. It keeps trying to connect to my home router. And not R2. Okay, now we're connected to R2. Connect. Okay, let's... Okay, let's... I wonder... You know what? I really don't care at this point. Let's see if the projector works now. No. So the projector should be coming out here.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
But it's not happening. Oh! Hey, R2. What's going on? I don't know. I think he tried to go in patrol mode. That was weird. Anyways, so that's the update on R2. The head's working now, I guess. The projector's not working. Not sure what's going on. I might have to order that part next. But slowly but surely, we'll get there. We'll get him up and running 100%. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.